Hi everyone, today I will show you how to quickly create Dolly zoom effect. Add your video to the timeline. I won't dive into the theoretical part, I'll just mention that this effect can be achieved either during filming or in post-production. To create this effect, the shoot should contain a clear central subject. Duplicate the video to the track above and set the opacity parameter to the upper clip about 50%. Right-click on the upper clip and select Change Clip Speed. Enable Freeze Frame option. In the lower clip, add keyframes to the zoom and position parameters. Move to the end of the clip and adjust their parameters so that the lower video aligns as closely as possible with the upper one. In this example, since the flag is moving, I will use the flex pole as the ref. After aligning everything, the upper clip is no longer needed and can be disabled. Done. To learn even more about capabilities of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.